Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. When the Dodge Ram 1500 first thundered onto the scene in 1981, it marked a bold new era for Chrysler's truck division, one built on strength, simplicity, and unmistakable American toughness. Before that, Dodge trucks had already carved out a loyal following, but the introduction of the Ram nameplate redefined what a full-size pickup could be. It wasn't just a new badge, it was a new attitude, one that combined power, utility, and rugged design with a sense of personality that made the Ram stand out on every road, job site, and farm across America. In the late 1970s, Dodge's pickup lineup was due for reinvention. Competitors like Ford and Chevrolet were dominating the market with trucks that offered improved comfort and versatility, while Dodge's D-Series, though reliable, was beginning to feel dated. Chrysler needed something fresh to reinvigorate the brand, and so the company introduced the Dodge Ram for the 1981 model year, reviving the famous Ram hood ornament that had adorned Dodge vehicles in the 1930s. The move wasn't just nostalgic, it symbolized strength, resilience, and the brand's willingness to charge forward through tough times. The first-generation Dodge Ram 1500, though initially badged simply as Ram, built upon the D-Series platform but introduced numerous updates that gave it a stronger identity. The truck's design was straightforward yet striking: sharp body lines, a squared-off stance, and a bold front fascia dominated by a massive crosshair-style grille that quickly became its defining feature. The name Ram fit perfectly. The truck looked ready to power through anything in its path. It was rugged, unapologetic, and purely functional, the kind of truck that could haul, tow, and endure the harshest conditions without complaint. Under the hood, the 1981 Ram lineup offered a range of engines to meet every demand. The base models came equipped with a dependable 3.7-liter Slant 6 engine, known for its durability and low maintenance. For those needing more muscle, buyers could step up to 5.2-liter and 5.9-liter V8 engines, delivering up to 170 horsepower, and later models even offered a 7.2-liter, 440 cu in, V8, providing immense torque for towing and heavy-duty work. The transmissions were equally tough, with both manual and automatic options available, including a 4-speed manual for purists who valued full control. What made the Dodge Ram unique wasn't just its brute strength, it was its practicality. The truck was available in multiple configurations: short or long bed, 2-wheel or 4-wheel drive, and regular or club cab. The 4x4 versions, designated as the Ram Power Wagon, were especially beloved by off-road enthusiasts and workers who needed dependable traction in mud, snow, or rocky terrain. The Power Wagon name carried forward Dodge's military-grade toughness, ensuring that the Ram was not just a tool but a companion in the roughest environments. Inside, the first-generation Ram struck a balance between utility and comfort. Early models featured simple, durable interiors with vinyl bench seats, metal dashboards, and large, clearly marked gauges, all designed for easy cleaning and longevity. But as the decade progressed, Dodge began to realize that truck owners wanted more refinement without sacrificing toughness. Later versions of the Ram 1500 offered options like cloth seats, carpeting, air conditioning, and improved sound insulation, signaling the early shift toward trucks being not just workhorses but daily drivers. Mechanically, Dodge engineers focused on improving durability. A galvanized steel body reduced corrosion, while the suspension system was tuned to handle both heavy payloads and rough roads. The solid front axle and leaf spring rear suspension gave the Ram exceptional strength for towing, making it ideal for construction, farming, and ranch work. Its boxy, straightforward construction wasn't just a stylistic choice, it made repairs and modifications easier, which appealed greatly to mechanics and truck enthusiasts. The 1981 Dodge Ram also marked a critical turning point for Chrysler as a company. In the early 1980s, Chrysler was recovering from severe financial trouble, and the Ram's introduction was part of a larger push led by Lee Iacocca to reinvigorate the brand. The Ram quickly became a symbol of Dodge's revival, a tough, honest machine that reflected the grit of American workers who depended on it. Over time, the Ram name would grow into its own identity, eventually becoming a standalone brand decades later. But in 1981, it was the beginning of a legacy, one that would reshape the American truck landscape. The combination of iconic design, uncompromising strength, and and evolving comfort made the first-generation Dodge Ram a foundation stone for what would become one of the most recognized truck lineups in history. Today, when you see a modern Ram 1500 with its sculpted body, luxurious cabin, and immense power, it all traces back to that 1981 original, the truck that gave Dodge a bold new face and a powerful new spirit. The first-generation Dodge Ram 1500 didn't just introduce a name, it introduced a mindset that trucks could be both powerful and personal, both a workhorse and a statement of strength. The 1981 Dodge Ram 1500 remains a timeless icon, a truck that combined raw capability with American character. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.